How to get $80 TEMU coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box. Type in TEMU coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for TEMU. Once you're in the website, scroll down, check out the offers, 80% off, $30 off, $25 off, and many more. Hit towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on the offer. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at TEMU. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the TEMU website, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As on this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for TEMU. Just scroll and check. The process is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, head over to this website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for TEMU. So go ahead and check out this website as well. So this way you can easily get up to $80 working coupon code for TEMU. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.